Happy Thursday, everyone. This is Christian LaBouche, licensed real estate agent and real broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at TD Slung St. Pete, and I'd love to talk to you about some of the options available to you that might suit your needs. Now, today I want to bring to your attention two homes that hit the market this morning. Both of them are waterfront, and both of them are entertainers' dreams. The first one, up in Tarpon Springs, is a mammoth, and I mean mammoth, 5 bedroom, 4 bath, 4,110 square foot property listed with Renee Gialusis of Coldwell Banker Realty for $2,300,000. And for that price, you're getting a lot. You're getting over 80 feet of bayou waterfront. So with the private dock, you have complete unfettered access to the Gulf of Mexico. You have a wraparound deck on the second floor, open floor plans on each floor. And underneath, actually, the wraparound deck is a lovely, large, heated pool with an adjacent spa. You're also getting obviously a renovated, totally renewed interior with open floor plans, stone countertops, an amazing 6 gas range stove. It's a wonderful property, and as I mentioned before, it's an entertainer's paradise. There's the loft on the second floor is has beautiful views looking westwards, I believe, towards the sunset. So, like I mentioned before, this is a wonderful property listed for $2,300,000. Next property, also on the water, is a canal front property in North Reddington, listed with Gina Johnson of Waterfront Realty, Tampa Bay. And this home has been listed for $1,195,000. This 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,800 square foot property is a beautiful Florida style bungalow, single story, about 60 feet of canal waterfront, its own private dock with space for, Boston Wheeler, maybe a 25 to 30 foot boat, plus as many jet skis as you can fit. It's an amazing opportunity. Uh, you also have an open floor plan, a beautiful patio next to the dock. It's an amazing opportunity to just sit down and relax and enjoy the water. And that's why people move to these areas because the ocean is very calming, and so is the bay. And I mentioned it's listed for $1,195,000. Now, if these homes are of interest to you, or you want to talk about some other options here on the Gulf side of Pinellas County, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or send me a DM at CD Slung St. Pete. It's on all my social media.